Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm really happy that you're here today. And if you're new, please take a moment to subscribe. Hit the bell button, which will let you know of new videos, the like button, and leave a comment down below, even if it is just saying hi. Let me know you're here. I will respond to your comments. So today's video, I'm doing another book review. I haven't done one in a long time, but this is a book that taught me a lot about plants, country living, living naturally. And this channel is really about natural. I talk about herbs and art education, arts for creative purposes, but everything at the root of everything for me is a natural living, a natural lifestyle. So let's get started with the video. Bought this book quite a long time ago. It's Carla Emery's The Encyclopedia of Country Living, an old-fashioned recipe book. This is a big book, and this is a very well loved book. I have many pages marked. I have sticky notes in here. I have well, these are all over the place, but I have a lot of marked pages. This book is awesome. Pretty much like every single thing you need to know about living naturally in the country. And even if you don't live in the country, but doing things naturally, from having animals to cooking to canning, planting, growing things from seeds. She even has like homemade laundry soaps, giving childbirth naturally, pretty much every single possible thing. That is why it's called the Encyclopedia of Country Living. So if you were going to have one book that had everything, this is a great book, a great place to start. I think I use this book the most for learning how to make breads. This was something I really wanted to do, especially being gluten-free, and wanted to have really healthy gluten-free breads and natural breads, making sourdough from starter, and so many other kitchen preparation foods that are from scratch, homemade, from pickles to sauerkraut, jellies and jams and everything canned in between. This book has been really helpful for me coming out of, I guess, a system of being a consumer, purchasing everything, and going into a new system where you're doing a lot by scratch. So when I began my health journey 20 years ago, I realized that I really had to change not only my diet, but the way I was living. And to do so, you really have to get back to the basics, back to the natural way that people did things. So our modern life lends itself to convenience and fast and quick, but there's a lot of detraction with that kind of lifestyle. And slowing things down and getting back to a slower pace is just something I really incorporate. I am happy and grateful for conveniences at times, and to have to live solely this natural way without anything modern would be very difficult. You would need a community of people for sure. But it's really wonderful to intersperse the natural and to maybe trade out a lot of things that are modern convenience for more natural. And as you get more proficient at it, it becomes kind of second nature. So great book. I love this book. I really recommend it. You cannot go wrong. I bought this, I'm trying to look for the price. I will have a link in my description down below that you can go over to Amazon. I don't remember the price exactly, but it's not a fortune. I mean, it's definitely well worth the money spent. And it is a book I never regretted buying. So Thanks, and come again to another video. So before you head out, I want to share with you 3 books I've self-published. They are listed in the description down below, and you can link over. They are on Amazon, so check them out. I have a booklet. This is my all you need to know about making herbal tea. It's a great beginner guide. It is about making herbal tea with leaves and flower parts, and it's perfect. It's gonna get you started on herbal teas. Then I also have my children's book, The Story of the Gluten-Free Kid. This was written by me and illustrated with the help of my kids, and perfect for anybody who has any gluten-free kids. A really fun story that will help them not feel so alone. And then the 3rd book is my Mommy and Me journaling activities for love and serenity, and art journaling activities, I should have said. This is to be done with an art journal or an art notebook, and it is basically activities. So you have the still life activity, you have the doodle activity, you have, it's called the I am activity. So my 3 books on Amazon, link from the description. Help me out. Thanks so much.